Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn Company. It is Thursday, September 22nd. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. A little bit lower trade here into the corn market, mixed trade into the wheat market, and then a penny higher on the close for soybeans. So you're coming off some news here overnight through early this morning. You got heavy rain starting from probably Minneapolis and then working its way down to Iowa and then parts of Wisconsin. It looks like there's about 16 counties that got over 6 inches of rain last night. There is more rain to come here, and so you are seeing some heavy rainfall totals, and really what this market is waiting for to see what this next storm brings as far as rain totals, to see how much you get. So soybeans tried rallying off this news being about 4 higher, but it seems like anytime they really rally, it is met with some selling pressure, especially coming into harvest as you're getting a chance for these farmers to sell near the recent highs here at this level. And so you've been seeing that selling pressure, and really majority of the day it looked like corn was really struggling as well. You did have supportive outside markets, and I think that's probably why you saw Minneapolis wheat close up actually 4.5 cents on the day. You had some strength there. Other markets were just a titch weaker there. But overall, just seeing how this weather plays out, and then, you know, is this trend going to continue? Because right now we're early enough in harvest that it shouldn't cause too many issues as long as we don't continue this pattern. Moving into the meat markets, you started with strength from those outside markets in both live cattle, feeder cattle, and they were sold off here as you're starting to struggle to get some cash trade to really stick together. Poor export sales here in the beef, so you actually had live cattle slightly lower on the day, and then mixed in the feeders. You also had mixed reactions in hogs. They tried to get it together about $1 higher on that December contract, but it did sell off. And like I said, those outside markets were favorable and helpful. It just didn't seem to pan out that way with the crude market over $1 higher, Dow almost up 100 points, and then the dollar was actually down about 60 at one point due to the fact that Federal Reserve decided not to increase interest rates here yet, and that was supportive to these markets as you saw that dollar kind of fade off, and that makes our commodities a little bit more attractable for foreign nations. So moving forward, what we're going to be watching is seeing how this week pans out, see if you have profit taking coming into the weekend, and also see these rain totals start to come in as well. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.